So we are now recording for YouTube. So for everyone in the chat, if you want to say hello to YouTube, go ahead now. You want to use the timeout function. That's a new one I added. So people can time each other out if they want to, and we can have a bit of a little competitiveness in the chat for people. But yes, hello YouTube. We're doing Into the Nexus. This is straight after we've done Cracking Time. But oh, apparently I need to sign in. Okay. Just realised my email was probably on screen there, so I'm going to have to look at getting rid of that. But the exercise had to stop. No, the exercises are there. There's just a timer on them now. Lukey boy, I'm really sorry. I don't know if that's going to time you out though. I don't know why it's deleted your messages when I time you out, but Lukey boy, yes, we did finish Cracking Time. I'm not going to have you timed out for 600 seconds, don't worry. I'm just going to time you out until we are in the game properly. But no, the exercises have a timer on them. That's all. That looks fine to me. We're definitely going to have to lower this just a little bit. Game options, check this, that's fine. We're gonna go with hero, and we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna untime out Lukey boy after the intro cutscene's done though. With great power becomes great timeout privileges. You don't have superpowers, you just took a radioactive pill.
So we flew through the asteroid belt. What do you think?
Ratchet?
Oh, sorry.
I believe we simply need to recouple the ion converter.
All right, let's get to it.
Yeah, Lukey boy, sorry, it's a new thing that you can do with the pennies. That's all it is. If you've got enough pennies, you will have the ability to time out other people as well.
Thanks, pal.
Incoming holocom from Apogee, Talwyn. Hey, Ratchet!
Not.
I can't breathe! No oxygen!
Yeah, we have a nut button.
I'm not listening.
Ratchet! I'm dying!
No, you're not.
Oh, fine. You know, you laughed the first time I did that.
I found it to be quite humorous.
Thanks, Clank.
Our sensors picked up some sort of rupture in the Deck 3 power grid. Everything okay?
Yeah, that was my bad. Tried to save time by piloting through an asteroid field.
We will deliver the prisoner to the Vartax detention center in approximately 2 hours.
Then you'd better take her out of cryosleep now. The faster you turn her over to the Vartax guards, the better.
Oh, are you worried about us?
Vendra Prague isn't like the other criminals we faced. She's cold and empty in a way I've never seen. Promise me you won't go near her without Clank and Zephyr, okay?
We'll check in with them right now. I've got everything under control, Tal. Don't sweat it.
Not.
Alright, where's Lukey boy? How do I untime out someone?
I believe Cronk and Zephyr are still on the bridge.
10 bolts say they fell asleep again.
Go, Lukey boy. Boom. I've removed the timeout for you, Lukey boy. And let's oh, this is feels like this is running at a different frame rate than the other ones. Oh, we got a gun. Where's... Aha, so L1 is lock strafe now. And it's L1 and square to throw that. Yeah, it does feel like 60 FPS. Just hit it? Okay. We've got the Omni Blaster. It's gonna be sad not having my box breaker. Oh, it's a plumber. What's he doing here?
Oh, hello there. Now I hear you're escorting Vendra Prague to the Hooskow. She's a mean space witch, that's for sure.
Lukey boy's out to get revenge.
Yeah, I'm just here picking up some contract work between toilets. A lot of stuff around here needs fixing.
Okay. See you later, plumber. I mean, at least you understand you deserve it, Thomas.
Look how cute they are. We should wake them up gently.
Wake them up gently, right? Should we try and wake them up gently, or should we just, you know, absolutely wreck their shit? Because I'm all for the second.
What is it? Is Tachyon back?
Morning, Kronk.
Yeah, so Becky has a ridiculous amount. I was thinking...
Hey, Zeph. Sleep well?
Typical Zephyr. Sleeping on the job.
I was genuinely thinking of adding, like...
Wake up Vendra Prague.
I think for like 100,000 coins you can end the stream for the day.
Bad news, I tell you.
And then I realised Becky nearly had 10,000. And I was like, no, because she might end the stream.
Now, come on.
Lousy space witch. Kidnapping all them terracnoids. Hurting all those helpless citizens. For shame.
Okay, so it looks like we have rare Raritanium in this game as well. The lighting in this game looks pretty good, though.
Deactivating cryosleep on prisoner 9971. Prague. Vendra. Please stand by. Error. Power fluctuation detected.
Uh-oh.
Power fluctuation detected.
Oh, she mad.
It's her. I knew this was a bad idea.
Free pizza for a meal. You know what? I might add something like that for like, I don't know, 150k. Like, I'll buy you a pizza.
I see ya. Hang on, Kronk. Zeph, are you in here?
Down here.
We must find a magnetic surface for the grav boots.
Look to your right, Rook. Should be one over there.
I see it.
So we aim and then leap.
Better get to the
Okay.
containment wing and make sure Vendra's locks are still engaged.
Saving
You
my
guys gonna be
pennies.
okay?
We'll be fine. You go ahead. Kronk and I'll work on restoring gravity.
I mean, if that's something people want me to add, like some cool stuff like that, where it's just like, I don't know, like maybe just order like a delivery kind of thing, I'd be interested in adding that. Well, I'd just have to... I'd have to get your details, I'm guessing.
Those hydraulic locks.
Omni Blaster should take care of them. Hang on.
Yeah, that is understandable. It may be that I'd just, like, send over, like, a £10 gift card for, like, Pizza Hut or whatever. Because I understand not feeling comfortable giving out addresses. That is completely understandable. Or I could do something rather than doing rather than doing like pizza. I could go like, oh, if you earn so many pennies, I will gift you a sub for the month.
Just get that gravity generator running.
If that's something people would be interested in instead, just like get to 100,000 or 150. 150,000 like points or something, and then we will like gift you like a sub.
We're through.
Nice work. Okay, get ready for the next one. Initiating temporary shutdown and thruster 2. Now.
Oh yeah, VIP status is at 50,000. So if people want VIP status, they can purchase that at 50,000 pennies. Is it 5,000 or did I put it at? Oh yeah, I actually added it at 5,000, and then mod for a day is 10,000. So yeah, it's actually like I've made it cheaper to do those things because I'd much more prefer people to enjoy those things and have a reasonable attempt at getting them. So what I might do is, in fact, you know what? We'll add it right now during the stream. And I'm going to think, if I'm done mod at 10,000, what we'll do, we will add, I'll gift you a sub. We'll add that at... We'll say 20,000. Okay. Boom. So that has now been added. So added it twice for some reason. Oh, okay. It just removed it. Interesting. Ooh, again, 25,000. Is that 25,000? That is 25,000. Say no, I want it so people can and create. So now, boom. So now when you guys get 25,000 points, if you want, I'll gift you a sub. And what did I miss while I was doing that?
Airlock secure.
We spend 100k and you buy yourself a pizza, but we pick the toppings. I like that idea actually, that would be a funny idea. I will add that after this stream or when we get a chance to. The boxes. I must get the boxes. Now that is actually a really good idea, so I'm definitely going to add that. Thank you for the suggestions, guys. Like I've been trying to think of
Elevator power restored.
like things to add for these points, and just recently we've been able to add quite a few different things, which has been good. And more than just looks, you know. Exactly. You're a smart cat. I'm glad you can double tap X to make this quicker. Like, I can just dive over nice and quick. So you're giving Becky ideas now, because she's probably going to do it, because she's got enough points. Oh, no worries, Becky. Just let me know when you're back and have fun with the dogs. State of play. Is that today? Luke Boy's a true smart cookie. I'm loving the friendship in the chat right now. It's great. Yeah, 10 PM. We can look at it. Yeah, I'm cool with that.
Containment wing unlocked. Please stand clear of the prisoner.
I'm interested, like you said, I'm interested in the what the PS Plus games are. I'm probably not. If we do put it on, we probably won't put on the whole thing though. Ooh, if it's got the God of War Ragnarok trailer, then I'm definitely interested.
Come on in.
We will need those battery bots in order to restore the proton field.
Do you always listen to what your little robot has to say?
Stay where we can see you, Vendra. We're just here for the proton field.
You're not afraid of little old me, are you? Not after all you've done.
Get back.
That seemed a bit too easy.
Come here.
Have some fun.
What? What? True, they might. If they do, that would also be interesting. Oh wow, that thing's moving. Gotcha.
Proton field restored.
Yeah, we'll watch it then. If there's ideas for like if there's going to be potential trailers like that, that is definitely something we can watch. I'd be interested in watching that.
It'd be a real help if you can activate it for us. It's outside the ship through the next airlock.
Okay, so
Ratchet, I'll see you soon.
actually, you see Ratchet 2. God, those things were
You found a piece of the hollow.
interesting.
It's a little project of mine. I split it up into pieces to prevent it from falling into the wrong hands.
I do actually know from a friend that apparently the Rhino in this game is the easiest Rhino to get a hold of. So we are going to get the Rhino in this playthrough, seeing as it's the last one so far of the games.
Activating backup generator.
Excelsior! Good going, rookie. Gravity is restored.
No all for one. Well, that ship's destroyed.
Sir, we are within striking distance of the Nebulorks. Fire Omni rockets on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark. Oops, wrong button.
That guy's a beefcake. Why do they do bright white screens like this?
We're under attack. It's left in Prague. It looks like he's hired thugs for less.
They're trying to spring Vendra.
We gotta get back inside the ship and stop them.
Open the door. Open the door. Oh, it doesn't work.
Airlock secure.
Oh, we're gonna get a glove. Guessing that'll be a bomb glove. We always get a bomb glove weapon. Omni bomb. Fusion grenade glove. Okay. Oh, okay. Open. Imagine being your preteen, sitting in your dark room, and the white screen shows. Oh, I've been in that situation before, and it's painful to deal with. It sucks.
The rest of you stay here and make sure we aren't followed.
Not. Let's go. We're on the clock. Not.
She's escaping.
She gets 2.
Warning. Pyrocytic bombs detected in ship.
I'm guessing there's quite a few of us in this chat that have been in that situation where you're chilling in a dark room, playing your game, and then you get the white screen. I think the worst culprit I had was, I think it was Final Fantasy X that was The one that literally ruined my eyes at night. Oh! Too many times. I think I'm very lucky. Excuse me. Ooh. I think I'm very lucky that I think the opticians want me to wear glasses, but I can see fine enough that it doesn't give me any issues, so... Oh, okay, so we upgrade by 10 each time. The BAM. Oof. Yeah, that logo.
Do you hear me? Wait for us to come back you up.
Some weird audio clipping happening there. Let me just quickly reset my audio engine. There we go. That should hopefully sort out the weird clipping. But yeah, that Bandai Namco logo ruined my eyes many times. You're not the only one, Sneaky. Not Sneaky. Sorry, Thomas. I haven't seen Sneaky for a while either. I'm hoping he's all good. He's probably busy with school and dealing with America, because he may be dealing with the power cuts and stuff. Oh, it's a big guy. See ya. Okay. I guess he just wanted to throw that out there and leave. Wait, do we actually get to pick the, No, we don't. Okay, that's fine. What extras are there? Okay, these are just those. I'm guessing the extras aren't in here just yet. That's fine. I can't remember if he's from Texas or somewhere else around there. I think he said Chicago at one point. I'm just wondering if he may be dealing with some of the same issues that a lot of states are having out there.
Clank and Zephyr need our assistance. We must hurry.
Oh.
Keep your eyes. You have your own back.
Oi, get back. Whoa. Okay. They just literally yeet the ship into my ship from the looks of it. We are low on ammo. We need those ammo boxes. Ooh, level up. So that's just extra damage. That's cool. I keep thinking I've got the box basher and I don't. So who in the chat has actually seen this Ratchet game? Because I'm pretty much fresh-faced for this one. A tin of baked beans. If they have that topping, then that's something we can do, but I don't know if they have that. Played all of them, including All for One. Oof. But that was rough. Played it like once. Okay, fair enough. Because I'm actually, the control of this really does feel quite nice. It's really quite responsive with the movement. I mean, Crack in Time was responsive, but this one just has that, like, just a little bit of an edge. Haven't seen any, but really enjoy the playthroughs. Oh, thank you very much. glad we can be of service, and I'm glad you're enjoying the entertainment.
Elected officials for the ship's location, coordinate a galaxy-wide crime wave, hire extra muscle.
You are the muscle! Or at least you're supposed to be.
I hope everyone's looking forward to the next game series we're going to do, which will be Jack. No, I won't be playing the PS4 game.
Everyone sees a hero. But do you know what I see? A coward. Someone who lost the guts to find his race.
I'm not a fan of the PS4 remake, personally. I don't like the humor, I don't like the way they did the characters.
They're just a couple of old warbots. Isn't killing everyone a little...
The gameplay is fun, but it's very, very simple as well for me. And I did recently, just before playing through these games, play it through again myself, and that's what made me want to do this series. So yeah, I'm not gonna jump into it. Maybe in future I might, but I doubt it. It doesn't interest me that much, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, what? Wait. Yo, they killed off the bots? Yo. I wasn't expecting them to kill the bots. Jesus.
They are gone, Ratchet. We are not safe out here. If we do not keep moving, the thugs will kill us.
Yo, they killed the boss. I mean, they wanted to, I guess if they wanted to put some stakes into it. Jeez. Let me, jump. Hi there. Oh yeah, 100% already better than Quest. Quest, I'm sorry, but Quest was just not good.
The ship is locked onto us.
I understand, like, the idea behind it, I just didn't enjoy it. The gameplay was fun-ish, but it was so short, there was nothing in it. This, straight away, is better. There's so much more story already for me. Yeah, can we get an F in the chat for the bots? I was not expecting that to happen. Oh yeah, very, very well polished, and it looked nice, and the particle effects are all good. Like, don't get me wrong, I completely agree there. But it just failed in many other ways to me. Oh, do I have to jump on that? No. Maybe not. Where do I go? Oh, okay. Do I jump on him? Oh, let me jump on him. Let me jump on him. There we go. Ratchet looks like a baby. Is that in the remake? He does look real young.
Commander 118, what's the status?
He's space kill, sir. We got him.
Good. I'm sending coordinates to Planet Eric. We have work to do.
Baby Ratchet. Making his first gun or something. Although, to be fair, it would just be him living on that planet trying to build a ship. Is it Veldin that he starts on? Sure, it's Veldin.
Are you in there?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
You cannot stay in there forever.
Yes, I can. We shouldn't have let them take on the twins without us. I should have told them to evacuate.
We cannot dwell on what we should have done. Some things are simply out of our control. Would you like me to tell her?
No. I'll do it.
Ratchet, are you okay? Your nav unit has you all the way in the Zarkov sector.
We lost them. We lost Clank and Zephyr.
You lost them?
I'm so sorry. But Clank and I are going to stop them before they hurt anyone else.
Listen to me. Come back to Meridian City.
Tal.
Please. You and Clank. You're all I have left now.
I need to make this right. I'll keep you posted.
I hope they continue the story from this game for Rift Apart. Being a furry. Now he looks even more like a furry. Yes, I agree. Karina, I'm probably not going to play any of the PlayStation 1 classics. I have serious nostalgia goggles for those games, like Spyro and Crash and things like that, and I know if I replay those games, my nostalgia goggles will get damaged, and it will make me feel like sad about those games, because I've seen the remakes of them and I'm not that interested.
What is Alpha 9?
It means haunted. The president evacuated the entire sector practically overnight. And get this.
Ratchet does like tall girls.
Are listed among the evacuees.
We have to find a way out of this valley.
Oh, great. I've not actually seen that news. Thank you for letting me know that one. About the Rift Apart sequel. I'm so happy that that's what it is. Yeah, Karina, again, like I said, sorry, but I don't want to ruin my nostalgia goggles with Spyro and stuff, because they were a big part of my really early gaming childhood.
Yeah, great. Earthquakes.
Are you sure? There's no record of Yarrick ever having a single quake.
If there's other, like, PlayStation 2 games that have been, like, remade or, like, remastered or something that you want me to play, that's fine. I'll look at doing those. We've got quite a long list of games that we want to be going through. We're going to be doing the Jack trilogy after this game. And then after we've done the Jack trilogy, we're going to jump into the first Sly game, but we're only going to play the first one because the ports aren't very good for the next ones after. Did you ever play a Souls game or Bloodborne? I haven't played any of the Souls games or Bloodborne, but I've played I played Neo, and I enjoyed Neo.
See what?
Nothing.
And I did play Sekiro, and I got all the way to the final boss, the Ishin guy, and he ruined me 100%. So I stopped. But I've never been interested in the Souls games because I've never really liked the look of them personally. If we get enough support for me to do it, then I'll probably try playing it through. But for now, we've got plenty of other things we want to be doing. I understand the appeal people have for them. I've got friends who really like the Souls games. I've never had the pull or draw to them.
Thanks for your help. Here, take this grav tether as a token of my appreciation. Pollux designed this grav tether to help him move around the planet. I'll have to show you how to use it. It's a bit complicated for you primitive types.
Rude.
First, fire a grav blast on this grav target.
Oh, okay.
I think you're getting the hang of it. Now, shoot that grav. You did it! Now just hop in and ride the grav stream to the other side.
Anything up here? I feel like there'd be something up here. I guess there's not. Whoa! The jump's very, like, boosted. No, I want to get these boxes first. Bring on PS5, maybe you could try it out when you get a PS5. To be fair, out of all the Soulsborne, like the Souls-like games I've been interested in, the Bloodborne game's definitely been the one that I've been most interested in. So it's definitely that was something I'll look at. No worries, Karina. I hope you enjoyed the stream. We are going to be back tomorrow with the giveaway, so I hope you can make it for the giveaway. But good to see you again. Hopefully see you soon.
Copy that. Thanks, Tal.
I am surprised you are so quick to hop into a sewer.
Those two killed Clank and Zephyr. I don't care where we have to go.
Guessing we shoot this. Let's shoot up this. You get 23 games? Really? I didn't know you got 23 games on the PlayStation 5. That's cool.
I never got along my
Tal, this planet is crawling with thugs. Why did they set up patrols in a haunted sector?
Oh yeah, sweet.
There's something else going on here. I'll see about getting you some backup. You just keep me informed.
Oh, Raritanium. Investigate the thugs for less. If a PS Plus and board PS5, you get 23 games. That's cool. That's actually gonna be good then, because I'll have plenty of games to look at on it. Temporal is a shotgun. Okay, interesting. Summons ghosts and goblins from a parallel universe. This sounds awesome. We're buying this. So upgrades. Okay. We know how to use Raritanium. Come on, we know how to use Raritanium. Let me out. So it's the Omni Blaster, the Fusion Grenade. This is going to be most of the damage, so we'll upgrade this. That's a good list, Lukey boy. I mean, I'm not a big fan of Minecraft personally. But yeah, the rest of that stuff's really good. So this is going to be... Does this actually do damage, or is it just, like, freaking them out? Get this. If you're interested in Minecraft, you should look at the check out the stream tomorrow, because we're going to be playing Valheim, which is basically Vikings with bosses and Minecraft and building. So yeah, if you're interested in like the building stuff, it'd be worth you checking that out. Okay, that thing works. Definitely scares everyone, at least. I played Terraria when it first came out, and I haven't played it since, but I know my friend really wants to, so I know Ryan from the podcast, he really wants to do a Variety Friday on Terraria, so it's something that we're going to add in the back pocket. Oh, okay, what's that? That gold bolt, can I grab that? Nice, nailed it. Yeah, he's been playing a lot of Terraria, my friend, recently. Play a lot of Apex Legends. I've never played Apex Legends. I really enjoyed Titanfall 2. but I've never looked at their battle royale. But I'm not a big competitive multiplayer guy personally, so it's not going to be my thing. Batman Arkham Knight. I've not played Arkham Knight. I really enjoyed City and Asylum though. I played Battlefield 1, Bloodborne, Black Ops 3 Zombies, Chronicles, Crash Bandicoot, Insane Trilogy, Days Gone. I need to try Days Gone. I've not tried that. Detroit Become Human, Fallout 4, Final Fantasy 15. 15 was one of the weaker Final Fantasies to me, but I'm from the old school era. God of War, Infamous Second Son, they're good games. Last Guardian, I've not tried that. Last of Us Remastered was great. Monster Hunter World is also great. Not tried the new Mortal Kombat. Love Persona 5. Obviously, Ratchet and Clank, we've been playing through these. I do want to try Resident Evil 7 and Uncharted 4. They are going to be, the Uncharted series is going to be added to the list of games we play as well. So there's a fair few good games in there to try out then. But yeah, we're definitely going to be doing the Uncharted series probably like in between Yakuza games after when we finally reach the Yakuza games. Let's just scare those guys. Found a gold bolt and mega weapons in challenge mode. Okay, so we won't be using the gold bolts in this game, in this run through. Oh, okay, that's the wrong weapon. Yeah, the Uncharted games are great games. 1.7k pennies. Yep, I think because you're a subscriber, Thomas, I think you earn them at a increased rate from what I remember reading. Can I use this? Okay. Oh yeah, I can. Can I break these? Oh. Okay, so you can break this stuff. Interesting. I can break these down as well. Anything else I can break here? Can I break these? Nope. Yeah, I think subscribers earn them at an increased rate. Actually, was it payday today? Tell you what, guys, what we're gonna do. We've got quite a few of you guys in the chat right now. I'm gonna set up a quick little competition, quick little giveaway. I got paid today, and I want to give away a subscriber to one of you guys. So just bear with me. We're just gonna quickly set this up, and what it's going to be is it's going to be a random number, and you guys have to just guess the random number. I've not done one of these ones before, so just bear with. Giveaways. We're going to archive that giveaway. Create a giveaway. Free sub, guessing a random number. Okay, so the random number is going to be between 1 and 100. Gate. Okay, so it should be, you just have to type it in the chat. So it looks like, from what I remember, is you do the exclamation mark and then type it in. So yeah, type away and see if you can figure out the... That's cheeky, Thomas. No, we're gonna go up to here, I guess. Oh, I want to get that. No, let me out. I don't know how to get that. I want that. Oh, I want that so bad. I'm guessing I'll have to do it on the way back, maybe. Let's try... Oh, maybe not. How do I do this then? Can I do that to that? No. Ah, but I can do that to that. I'm trying to remember, I don't think you have to do the exclamation mark then. Because it does seem to be that it's picking up your guys just typing in. And Thomas gets it by just spamming through the chat. Yep, Thomas has won. But I'm in a good mood. So, what we're going to do... I'm going to gift... 1 sub. Now I just need to get my actually I don't have my card details in this system, I've just realized. So I need to grab those details. Just 1 second. Sorry guys. Now I'm hoping it allows me to pick who I sub to. Can I? Can. Was lying, you fools. Move this up so I can actually see. Oh, it's not very easy gifting a sub, I'm not gonna lie. Right. But like I said, I'm in a good mood, so there's going to be a bit of a surprise here. So just 1 second. I hope it saves my details. So boom. There you go. But oh shit, Lukey boy. Thank you very much for the subscription. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. But with getting the subscription, you do get the Lulu emote. But yes, what I was going to do, and I'm still going to do it because you both were good sports in that, and you've been great through the stream, and like I said, it's per day, I'm in a very good mood. Let me just try and get this to actually work. It isn't allowing me to do what I want to do. Okay, right. I'm going to have to do it in a different system because it's being awkward. Stream manager, accept cookies. So, Lukey boy, I was going to gift you a sub as well. And just give you an extra, like, month's worth. But it doesn't actually let me because you've literally just got one. So, remind me, and next time you're in the stream, I'll see if I can gift you another month. But thank you so much for the subscription, Lukey boy. That's really appreciated. And Thomas, no worries, mate. You won the competition. We're probably going to do a few more of those. I might put some on tomorrow as well. We'll see. But again, really, really appreciate the support from you guys. The support you guys have been. Becky, he's just subscribed, so I can't actually gift him a sub. So that's going to be 2 months that you're going to get. Because you're going to have a month from me and a month from Becky redeeming that. That's going to be giving to you. So 3 months in total. So yeah, that will get sorted as soon as it allows me to. At the minute, it isn't allowing me to do that. But again, guys, I'm a bit confused as to what's happening. What's going on? No, Becky, you gifted him a sub using pennies. That basically means I gift him one because you've spent the pennies. Lukey did just subscribe himself, so I can't gift him another sub at this moment in time. So basically what it'll be is, when I'm able to, I'm going to gift him 2 months worth of subscription. Because you've redeemed your points to get him one, and I also wanted to give him one as a thanks for the competition entry kind of thing. So everything's got a bit confusing, but it was we'll get there in the end. We'll figure it out. But again, guys, really, really appreciating the support in the stream. It's been absolutely amazing. Are you a bit confused?
Yeah, I'm a bit confused.
So, right.
You were saying you could make it work, so I did it for you.
No. You doing that isn't actually gifting a sub. That is my pennies system. That's basically just telling me I'm redeeming my pennies for you to go and gift that person a sub or gift me a sub.
Lukey boy's winning anyway, so...
That's what it is. It's just the pennies. Because that's basically for someone who, say, watched for ages and wanted to sub but was unable to. I'm more than happy for people to use the pennies for me to then gift them a sub. But it does look like we're actually getting close to the PlayStation thing. But let's get some puppies.
I've got enough pennies to waste. It's alright.
Yeah, you've got like 75,000,
I've now
I think.
got 49.
You got 49,000. We got a puppy coming, guys. Let's get the puppies. Let's get the puppy on stream. Tell you what we'll do is we'll just quickly save this. Can we save on this? We can't. I guess it just auto saves.
Dad had to carry him halfway around.
Come here, little puppy boy. Here he is.
How many subs has Thomas got?
So Thomas won the giveaway that I just did. I literally just did a giveaway. So Thomas got one. So now he's subscribed for another month.
Okay. And I give him another month as well. Then I've given them both, and they've both got 2 months.
The only thing is, like I said, because they've just had the subscription start, I can't gift them another subscription at the moment. I've got to wait for some time to pass, basically, from what I can see.
No, it's fine, guys, because I have thousands of pennies, and I have nothing to spend them on, so it's fine. I really don't mind. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll put it on tomorrow's stream. By the time I go back down. Oh yeah.
Is that what you're gonna say for next instead? The pizza thing.
Thomas, is that what you would rather me do? Would you like a gifted sub, or no? He won't buy me McDonald's. Or would you like me to save up so I can make him buy me? What would you prefer, a sub or me eating a pizza? And I'll even eat it on stream.
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay.
Take it back.
Okay. I will do that. I will save up another 50k then. Just for you, Thomas.
Cool.
Pizza.
So the state of play starts soon. Is it on YouTube that it's going to be on? They want me to watch the state of play live stream.